Dear grade 10 students, welcome back to our vision. In this part, we will discuss active and passive voice. When do we use it? When the agent is a noun, flats are sold. To make the object of the active verb more important. America was discovered in 1492 by Christopher Columbus. When the description of the agent is very long. A charity record has been made by many famous names in the world of pop music. Structure of the sentence in the passive voice. Subject is the person or object that suffered or enjoyed the results of an action. The verb to be in the tense the action occurred. The past participle of the verb that represents the action itself. Whatever complements that verb needs. In a few special cases, we can also use by plus the agent. Structure of the verb. As we can see from the table in front of us, in the present simple we use verb to be plus in the present form plus the past participle of the main verb. In the present continuous we use verb to be in the present plus the word being plus the past participle of the main verb. In the present perfect we use have or has plus been plus the past participle of the main verb. In the past simple, we use was or were plus the past participle of the main verb. In the past continuous, we use was or were being plus the past participle of the main verb. In the past perfect, we use had plus been plus the past participle of the main verb. In the future simple, we use will be plus the past participle of the main verb. Going to, we use am or is or are plus going to plus be plus the past participle of the main verb. In the conditional simple, we use would be plus the past participle of the main verb. In the conditional perfect, we use would have been plus the past participle of the main verb. The passive verb. The passive verb consists of verb to be in the active tense plus the past participle of the main verb. To be gives us the tense of action, and the past participle is the principal verb which is always in the past participle. As we can see from the table in front of us, she wants an ice cream. The passive voice is an ice cream is wanted. He sent a letter. In the passive, a letter was sent. We will buy a new car next week. A new car will be bought. We have been cutting the grass. The grass has been cut. Being cut. In the active sentence, we start with the subject, which is followed by the verb and then the object. But in the passive voice, we reverse the sentence. We start with the object, which becomes the subject in the passive, and then the verb in the passive, and then followed by the subject of the active voice, which is then called the agent. The sentence says that Robert gave a coin. The passive voice will be a coin was given by Robert. Robert gave a coin to Tom. This is the active sentence. We have two different objects. First one, the direct object, which is a coin, and the indirect object, which is Tom, because the verb here gave is a transitive verb which goes to two different objects, one direct and the other is indirect. In the passive voice, we start with the indirect object. Tom was given a coin by Herbert. More example. They built this house in 1466. This house was built in 1466. Channel Islanders speak French and English. French and English is spoken by Channel Islanders. This book will change your life. Your life will be changed by this book. More examples. They have cut the grass. The grass has been cut. My mother is going to give me a present. I'm going to be given a present by my mother. Susan wrote an email to him. He was written an email by Susan. More examples. They can answer your question. Your question can be answered. Someone had to take her to the hospital after this. She had to be taken to hospital after the crash. They shouldn't allow the children to do these things. The children shouldn't be allowed to do these things. Someone must tell him if we want him to know. He must be told if we want him to know. More passive stuff. Get is used instead of be with passive meaning in informal language or informal English. I got stuck in a traffic jam. She's getting married. After needs and want, the ing form can be used with the passive meaning. This job needs doing. That room wants cleaning. Have and get something done, arranging for or paying for somebody to do something for you. Get is more informal than have. Here we use have plus the object plus the past participle. He had his hair cut. She got her carpet cleaned. We have had our car mended. They had got their book translated. So the subject or the one who does these things is someone else. It's not the subject. Verbs like believe, think, consider, say, report, know, expect, feel, understand, find. Introductory it is used. We start with the word it. It plus the passive verb plus complete subordinate sentence without the changes, as we can see in these three examples. It is said that he started the fire. It is thought that she doesn't live in London. It was known that the king is coming tomorrow. Verbs like believe, think, consider, say, report, know, expect, feel, understand, find. More examples. It is said that he started the fire. This is an action in the past. He is said to have started the fire. This is the infinitive perfect. It is thought that she doesn't live in London. This is present. She's thought to live in London. This is infinitive present. Here we come to the end of this part about the passive voice. Thank you for listening and goodbye.